Today, I want to share an observation I had, and it deals with how responsibility for rush projects have shifted away from an analyst and changed to IT or to an ediscovery software provider. Let's talk about it. If you remember good old days when we used to use desktop software, we always had these rush jobs. We got to get this production out, we got to get processed quicker, we got to get it done. And who wind up being yelled at to get it done quicker is analysts. And software could be crashing. Well, just reboot the computer, try it again. Or you have some kind of database error, reboot this, try again. Things are going too slow. Okay, split up a batch file into multiple computers. So analysts would always be under fire to do something, right? They would be like, they have to make smaller batches. They have to basically put more work, monitor multiple stations, and try to get the job as quickly as possible. But as the software started to become more web-based and we no longer had a desktop application to reboot or mess about with, well, that responsibility for trying to get things done quicker shifted to IT, because analysts no longer could just go in and restart servers to do something. Basically, what they would do is they click on the button, run production, and servers take over, right? And whatever time servers take, that's what they take, right? Analysts have no more control over the process. And if something is like slower than expected or some kind of problem, well, you just tell IT like, hey, we seem to be having issue, things aren't loading. And then they will have to reboot a server or look into the database or look into logs and see if there is a problem. But the point is, analysts can no longer control how fast things run because things are being sort of packaged up into a job and put onto a server, and servers now have to handle it. And who's in charge of servers? It's the IT department. Analysts can't make things run slower or faster aside changing, priority of the queue or something like that. And now as software is moving towards the cloud, that responsibility is shifting again. Now it's going away from the IT team to whoever is vendor of the software. So if it's relativity, now everything's on relativity. The infrastructure's on them, the software functionality on them. If anything crashes, if it's slow, there's only one person to call. So now the software creators are basically completely in charge of their software and everything that's happening. So it's no longer analysts, no longer IT, and now we move into that next stage where whoever created software is fully responsible for how fast it works. So let me know, guys, if you agree with my assessment or not in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow on LinkedIn, subscribe on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, there are little crabs that live here. That's what I saw. There you go. See the guy right there? Waving a claw at me? There you are. What are you doing?